Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use solid combine feature in CATIA. For that, first of all, I select Start, Mechanical Design, Art Design. Now I select any plane. Here I select this plane, select Sketch. I select Rectangle command, and here is the option Hexagon. I draw a hexagon. Exit workbench, come back from the sketch. Now I select a different plane. I select this plane, select Sketch, and I select Center Rectangle. Draw a center rectangle here. Exit workbench, come back from the sketch. Now here is the option solid combine. Stiffener, the second option. This is solid combine. Select it. For that we need two sketches on two different planes. I select this sketch and this sketch. See preview. Select OK. The combination of two sketches is the result of the solid combine. Ctrl+Z for undo. Now I select the sketch. Double click on the sketch. I delete this rectangle. Suppose I select a circle and draw a circle here. Exit workbench, come back from the sketch. Select solid combine. Select sketch first. This sketch. Select second. Sketch this sketch. See preview. Select OK. See here. In this direction, this is a circle. In this direction, this is a hexagon. Again, I select Ctrl+Z for undo. Now I select this hexagon. Double click on it for edit this sketch. I delete this edge of hexagon and select spline and draw random shape here. Press escape button for exit command. Now adjust this spline. Select this point and this point. Select constraint define box and select coincident. Select OK. Exit workbench. Come back from the sketch. And now I select solid combine. Select first piece. This sketch and select second. Select this sketch. See preview. Select OK. See here. See this direction. This is this type of shape. But in this direction, this is a circle. This is this solid combine feature in CATIA. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and explain CAD.